Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I watched this video where a lady said that doing the cleaning and conditioning was basically, she kind of implied that it was unnecessary, that she does something simple. And she was talking about the darkness of these handles. She restored hers using tape. She called it masking tape. This is not what I call masking tape. I call this shipping tape. Anyhow, it looks like that this is what she used. Now, I am not recommending anybody do this, but I thought that I would try it and try it on a purse. Now, she did it, I think she did it to a Louis Vuitton, and I would try to link that video. Okay. It may be damaging to the purse. So I paid like $30, $35 I think for this. It's a vintage Dooney and Burke. And so I thought that I would try it on the bottom of the purse first. I have cleaned and conditioned this before, and it did seem to come a little cleaner. But I am going to see what happens if I use this masking tape. Now, she did it on the handles. I'm kind of thinking about doing that. But I thought I better do it to the bottom of the bag first. All right, so, I mean, that's all she did was take, so she didn't do it. Let me see. Is that what I want to happen right there? I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know what these deep marks are on here. It's interesting. It did lighten up a little. So, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna try it on this really dark handle. And let's see what happens. I don't know if that's successful or not. Is that something I want done? Is that a result I want? All right, so let's see. I'm gonna buff this and see. It's an interesting result. I think it did come a little cleaner. So I don't know what that result is. What did that just do? Did I really take oils, hands from people's hands off it? I don't know. Did I do something good? Did I damage it? I don't know. Now this, I had put cleaner on it, and then I conditioned it. So it has that on there. So maybe that is skewing the results. She says she don't put anything on it when she does it. All right, is that a success or not? I don't know. What do y'all think? Can you see? Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so let's see. I was gonna end the video, but let me see. What did I do with the tape? Okay, I'm gonna get another clean piece of tape. This is what I got from Dollar Tree. Let's try it again. So, I mean, what is that little reaction right there? What is that? I don't know. Well, it ain't the super positive reaction she had from, now the video is like I think 7 years old, so it was kind of grainy, but it looked like it went back to the original, but condition of the cheddar letter. But it might have been, phones have and videos have really gotten better in the past 7-8 years. So I don't know, it might have been the quality of the video. This is what you're watching is a iPhone Pro Max, so 15. So it's supposed to be pretty good video quality. So let's see. I don't know. I think it did something, but it's not the miraculous what it looks like she had results. Like I say, I don't know what this is actually doing to it. Shoot. All right. That's what I had to share. I don't know. Do I like it or not? I don't know. I think I'm going to go back to cleaning it. Seeing if I can get more off the old-fashioned way. Seemed like it did something. Not quite sure. All right. Y'all tell me what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.